Hi guys, my name is Pius Jagena and welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to talk about deleting hidden files inside Premiere Pro. So it is very annoying when you're working on this nice project and your computer keeps on crashing just because you don't have enough space or storage. Or even when you're exporting this video and the video stops in the middle just because Premiere Pro doesn't have enough space to operate from. So let's roll this intro and jump straight into this video. Peace. Hi, if you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I upload videos every single week. So, how to delete hidden files in Premiere Pro. So what you're going to do, you're going to open up Premiere Pro, and once Premiere Pro is open, you will go to Edit, then you'll run down to Preferences. So when you go to Preferences, you will get this long menu of options. Open Media Cache. So after clicking Media Cache, go to Delete and delete all those files. When you have deleted all those files, Premiere Pro will have amazing space to perform from. For those of you who use After Effects so much, you can use the same formula and you will get great space for your software to perform from. Hope this video has been amazing for you all. It has been useful for you. I advise you to comment below in case you have any question, or even you can click that subscribe button since it supports the channel, but also it enables you get that notification every time I upload. Remember, I upload videos every single week. This video is proudly brought to you and sponsored by iVillage Collective. And cash out, send money and let your money work for you. Peace.